As I said yesterday, only long entry on gold was at 1910 and for silver was at 2320 levels. Both failed to sustain the rise and now dropped nicely, and in fact trading with a bearish momentum right now. Now what is going to happen today? We are going to look with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. My next analysis on gold will be up before the US cash session. Do press the bell icon. So let's start the day with gold first. First we'll look at gold, then followed with silver. So do watch till the end. See, gold below 1880 is always, as I said, it is a very crucial resistance zone for it for any upward movement and very good support for any downward movement. Now today again it is showing a reversal. It is trading in this channel. The highs have been done and now again it is reversing. So till the time it trades below 1880, my target for the day is going to see, we can see a similar size of candle again, retracement, drop, retracement, drop. So we can see a similar size or a lesser candle, almost the point of movement. You can see how much dollars, almost $50 move here. Earlier we have seen from close to 1895 to 1850 levels, almost $50 move. Now again from 1880, how far it could go, the support could come in to picture at around 18. First support 1855, then 1850, very strong support 1845, and then 1840. Every $5 there is a support for gold today. It can try to come back till towards 1840, very strong support zone which is, and yes, you can remain short till the time it remains below 18. So 1880 is the key pivot for the day. But first, before we'll come back to the daily charts, first let's have a look at the different time frames. Look at the 2-hour charts too. On the 2-hour charts, consolidation, and now again it is trying to show you the similar move. The candle size may start rising from here. And look at this. This is the consolidation zone at 1865. It may try to break this, which is a very strong support for now for gold. And if it breaks this zone at 1865, we can see it dropping sharply, and the next support level will only come back into 1850 levels. Look at this. 2-hour stochastic is oversold, and hence a little bounce back later can be expected. MACD is wide divergent and still in sell, indicating probable bearishness, and RSI looking downwards on the 2-hour charts. Look at the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts, similarly what it is trying to do, minor retracement, breakout. So this is a breakout here, and we can see a sharper red candle. How far this candle has achieved? Almost $20 move. Here also you can expect almost $20 move. It can try to go back till 1860 and may try to give you couple more red candles if it continues to trade in red. Look at the 3-hour stochastic. This is also oversold. It can sustain these levels for a little long before it tries to bounce back. MACD has just crossed over. This is the first red candle post that, and hence we can expect couple more red candles which might take it towards 1850, which is a certain, and then towards 1840, which is also a certain, beyond below 1850 levels. This is what it appears on the 3-hour charts. Look at the 4-hour charts. Similarly on the 4-hour charts, it is trying to trade with a drop, and now one can expect this is the support level at 1865. Once it breaks 1865, one can again expect it to see here is at around 1862, 1860 zone. Another support is there. Below 1860 we may see a sharper fall which will take it towards 1850 and below levels. Now look also here, the retracement, lower highs have been done, and now probably it may try to give you lower lows, taking it towards 1845, 1840 levels. Now look at the 4-hour chart. This is also oversold, hence a bounce back can be expected, but right now it is still trying to trade in red. MACD trying to convert, so couple more red candles, it will cross over, it will enter into a bearish zone, and we may see a further fall here on gold. RSI not showing any signs here. And if you look at the daily charts, on the daily chart, similarly as I told, it is trying to reverse from here. It can give you the similar size of candle where you can expect 1850 and 1840 levels. So 1840-50 appears to be certain. Till the time it remains below 1880, one can remain short. That is the story for the day. And you can look at the gold. It is trading in red on the MACD and trading in parallel with bearish momentum. RSI is near to oversold. So let me summarize. For the day, only long entry is at 1880. Once you see it trading at above 1880, one can go long there. Again, you will expect that it may try to hit 1891, 1901 and 1908 levels. In fact, 1910 can also be breached if and only if it trades above 1880. but 1880, but I am bearish, and it appears we might see gold hitting today 1850 and 1840 levels. So take your positions accordingly. One can remain short on gold till the time it remains or trades below 1880 levels. Mark these levels and trade accordingly. You can put your stop loss at 1880 and remain short on gold. One can expect 1850, 1840 zones. So take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. Also, one more point, there is a very strong support zone on gold at around 1865, 1862 zone. This zone has to be broken for successful downward movement, and I believe this zone will be taken. My expectation is that it may remain on sell side. However, these are markets beyond you and me. Please trade with strict stop loss at 1880 levels, or either you can only enter at around 1862, below which you will find a good drop, below which definitely there will be a good drop which will try to take it towards 1850, 1845, 40 zones. So trade cautiously, trade safely. Now let's have a look at silver. Similarly, silver out of this consolidation, it is trying to give a breakout. So 2240, below 2240, clear cut bearish. Probably the next support here is at around 2220, and then 2200. Below 2200, it is going to remain strongly bearish, where we may see a downfall there on silver, and hence one can trade accordingly. The trading resistance at 2250 is also there. Only once you see it trading above 2250, one can go long, else it can sustain the downward move. 2-hour stochastic that just above the oversold levels right now, still indicating little bullishness. However, MACD is wide divergent on the sell side, indicating more bearishness. RSI looking downwards, indicating the strength is getting lost by silver. So bullish momentum is not at all there. Now look at this 2250 trading as a strong, or 2250 taking as a strong resistance for any upward move. This is the breakout after a minor retracement, and hence I will expect that on the 3-hour chart we may see couple more red candles, and we may see silver going below 2200 levels today. But this is oversold on the 3-hour charts. Minor retracement on the upside cannot be denied. And if you look at the MACD, it has just crossed over. This is just second red candle, and hence we can expect couple more red candles from here. And yes, that is why I say 2200 levels and below, yes, can be achieved. Remember, 2200 is a very strong support zone for silver, and then 2140 will come into picture. Below that, silver will enter into a bearish territory for near long term, where one can remain strongly bearish on silver for near term. Now RSI is again trading at the downward side and near to oversold levels. Look at the 4-hour chart. Similarly, on the 4-hour charts, indicating the same. This is the previous candle, and now this is the breakout. So till the time it remains below 2250, I'll expect that it may try to continue with the bearish momentum. How far this could go? 2220 and 2200. In fact, it can try to break well below these levels. Only if this zone at 2200 is taken, I will be considering this as a bearish momentum. See, this is also trading at the bottom of the Bollinger Bands, and hence there has to be little caution. This is also oversold on the 4-hour charts. This is the MACD has just crossed over. So this is just first red candle, and we can expect couple more red candles soon, very soon, and we may see a sharper drop. RSI is near to oversold zones. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts too, this is the breakout here, and once it tries to break out, it always tries to also look at this. Where is the pivot right now? The pivot is at around 2280 levels. From 2280, rather I will say not 2280 but 2270 levels. From 2270 we have seen through 2320, we have seen 2220. So around 2270 is the pivot, and till the time it remains below 2270, it may try to give you a sharper drop. It may try to replicate the same move on the upside. Now it will try to replicate the same move on the downside probably, and one can expect that it may try to hit 2200 and 2180 levels. These levels are very strong support levels for silver for any downward move. Look at the daily stochastic, it has crossed over, looking downwards, indicating a bearish momentum is certain, and MACD is still on sell. RSI is again oversold here, and yes, it needs a bounce back. Let's see how far it goes on the downside, then a bounce back appears from there. So yes, for the day, till the time it remains below 2250 levels, one can remain short on silver. My target is 2200 and 2180 levels. above 2250, do not forget, above 2250 it will try to achieve higher highs, and this time it can try to hit 2320 levels. So both the possibilities exist, and that is the beauty of levels. If you trade with levels, one can not any time one cannot lose, because we only trade as per the levels. We keep shifting our stop loss, and that is what it helps to preserve and prevent your capital and profit in markets in the adverse situations. So yes, go long only about 2250, beyond which we may see a stronger rise. Till the time it remains below 2250, we may see it coming to 2200 and 2180 levels. So take your positions accordingly. Remember, 2220 is a good support. Below 2220 also you can take a safer long short entry, which might take it towards 2200 and 2180 levels. So take your positions accordingly. This is all from my side for gold and silver. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon and join my Telegram channel. Also, you can be part of my mentorship batch, which is starting on 9th of May. The strategies taught in the batch, it will be a boon for you, which will make you a proficient and a profitable trader. Invest in your learning first, then only you can become a good trader. Also, you can be part of my VIP signals group, where just by trading as per the signals you can definitely profit. Reach out to me for any of your trading or trading related queries. My email ID and Telegram IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.